kind of cool. Speaking of cool. Ah. Here at the Boston Hospital. Yeah, it's starting to snow. What is it? It's like 10 o'clock, 10:30. If you can see it. Just starting. Well, let's see how this goes, huh? Cool. Alright, this is at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah. Not much going on right now. Did it stop? No, there it is. I can see it. It's very fine snow. And there's some wind, a lot of wind. So, that's interesting. It's still snowing. It is Sunday, 5 p.m. The sun's going down. And, yeah, a lot of wind. And it is very, very fine snow. Looks like they've given up out there. Cool. Whoa, a few hours later. Well, an hour later. Yeah, it's snowing. Look at this. They got this one guy. He's got this device that, like, maybe I can catch him here. Yeah, so it's coming down pretty hard right now. I don't know if he picked this up, but it's decent snow. All right, here we are. A few hours later, it's starting to pile up pretty quick. In Boston. Oh my God, it's snowing. All right, this is 8:45 Sunday, and it is lightly snowing. But it's very thin. It looks like to me. That's some serious piling up, guys. Yeah, some piles here. Quiet, not too bad. There we go. Plow, mini plow there. Yeah. Could go wrong. Hey gang, it's 2 o'clock in the morning out here, and gently snowing. Hey gang, it's 3 o'clock in the morning, Monday morning. Still flurries, not a lot of snow, but some snow. Been plowing all night here. Hey gang, we continue our walk through Chinatown here. The lovely Chinatown. And the sidewalks are not really plowed. So, what do? I'm gonna get dirty here. But I've got ski pants on, gang. It's not too bad. Yeah. Hey gang, just left work and I'll take some video. It's up about 4 feet high here from the plowing. And you can see the green salt. It stopped snowing, obviously. And I'm gonna try and walk to the North Station to catch a train home. Alright. Hey gang. We're in the Boston Common near the Central Burial Ground. Maybe a foot of snow. Or so. It's starting to snow again. It's a little windy, a little obnoxious. No pickleball today. Whoa, it's a little slippery. Be careful. Hey gang, we're here at this monument in the Boston Common, and it's a lot of snow. What can I tell you? It's January 26th at about 7:30. There's a good foot of snow, maybe more in some places. Yeah. Larry for scale. Okay. A little windy, but not bad. It's cold. Like 10. Cool. Gang, we're still near the Boston Common Park, and there's a lot of dog walkers. I just saw St. Bernard way over there somewhere. Cool. Hey gang, we're at the Frog Pond. And there's nobody skating today though. Some guy trying to ski over there. I don't know what he's up to. But the ice rink has got a good foot of snow in it. Maybe they'll clear it out. Oh, look at that guy over there. Gonna do a little snow blowing. Where is he? There he is. Cool. It'd be better if my phone worked. But it's not working so good. So dudes give up on skiing. Give up. Plows. Wow. Look at this. It's plows coming in. Hey gang. Hey, we're at the Revolution House over here. Hey gang. It's like 2 or 3 feet of snow over here, but it's passable. Hey gang, we're at like Quincy Square, Faneuil Hall. And That's a big pile of snow. Look at that. The march continues. Hey gang, we're at the port. Yeah, at the chart house. Boats. Look around. We go whale watching today. Alright. Take a cruise. There you go, take the ferry. There's the aquarium over there. Let's go see the otters. Cool. Hey gang. Alright, we're still at the port. Some boats. We're getting a load of this. Right? There's like seals, man. I don't know if you can see them in there. There's like seals. Look, here's one. Hey buddy, how you doing? Hey gang, look, it's a seal. There's another one. Look, they see me. I think they want to be friends or something. Look at that. Pretty cool. Look at this one. He's upside down. Hey, cool, dude. Wow. Let us free. Let me go. Pretty cool, huh? Hey there. What's up there, buddy? Slush. Hey gang, we're back with the seals. Look at that, there they are. Their enclosure. It's kind of cool. Slush. Horrible. It's everywhere. Hey gang, I'm in Little Italy now. Oh, okay. Yeah, Little Italy. So let's go find some pastries, huh? Shall we? Oh. What a traverse this is. Hot goals. Hot goals. Okay, we're almost to the train station here after my journey to get some boba and Mikey's pastries. And it is pretty darn cold. I have a freezing brain right now. Alright. Cool. Gang, we made it home from our great adventure. You see the blizzard here and the locals. How the locals handled it.
33 inches.
It's a lot of inches, honey. Can you handle it? Can you handle that many inches? 33. Wow.
All I know is I'm really good at shoveling sand, so therefore I'm really good at shoveling snow.
This guy.
Yep, there's two of them.
Wow.
Look at this.
We got the dueling snow shovelers.
There's a reason why not to buy an electric one, because they don't work.
Because they don't have the power.
Yeah, I don't understand why ours.
This guy got everything. They're all out.
Yeah. I don't understand why ours quit.
Wow.
It turns
what a rough
on.
road.
It turns on, but it doesn't continue to run. So right. I did an experiment. If I press the manual fuel button, the little primer button, if I press that, it would run.
Oh.
But I can't obviously continue to press that and I don't know.
Did you play with any of the other little switches and buttons?
I kind of did, but I wasn't too sure what I was doing, so I decided to
Whoa,
give up.
there's another plow. The gas station. Wow. Let's make it home. Oh, street shooters.
That's the
Wow,
guy.
he's got a good one. Look at this guy.
Yeah.
He's like slinging it out there. Running like a champ.
Yeah.
Don't quit.
One of them has like a track, like a tank.
Whoa, he's got a shovel.
Manually did it. That's what me and Clara did.
Good caveman.
We cavemanned it. And our neighbor came over after we were done and said, "Oh, do you want to use my snow blower?" And I was like, "No, I'm going back inside now. I've done just enough to get the car out. That's all we're doing."
$1 short. Wow. You guys really got swamped here.
We got nailed. Last night, I
Deep
swear,
snow.
we really did. Last night.
Oh, I got one.
Last night, thank goodness, we went out at 5 and snowplowed and scooped all the way out, because we would have been in far worse shape today.
Everybody's doing the snow blower.
So fun.
Yes. You're in snow mode?
Yes, I'm in snow.
Snow mode. Wow. The road is lumpy.
Yeah, because they didn't scoop here.
Plowman. Really letting us down here. No chocolate bricks for them. Wow. That was fun driving on the train.
Yeah.
Like it was just like a snowstorm.
Yeah.
Plowing through the snow on the tracks.
My friend said that was probably the best thing for you to do, was to take the train.
People just slept there. There were a couple techs that just slept there.
The texts this morning all showed up on time?
Most of them. There were 2. It was funny because I was just got out of work and I started walking north towards Boston Common, and I had some time to kill. And I saw 2 of them, and they didn't even recognize me. I gave one of them finger pistols too, and she just kept walking.
She's like,
I was like, that's all right. I had my face covered up, and whatever. They didn't really know me. But, I was like, they didn't recognize me. Whatever. Maybe they did. They just didn't say anything. Anyway. Wow. It's one for the record books. Look at that snow over there.
Next weekend they said we're going to have another one.
I heard that.
Dump.
Wow, another big dump right on Massachusetts.
We need to, look at this. I mean, Claire and I can do it. It took us about an hour and a half to do it manually.
What is this? What is this? Main Street? Central Street.
Yeah.
Look at this. Wow. What snow.
We gotta take a picture of Idlewild when we go by it and take
Hey,
it to
gang.
Andrew.
Have you ever seen so much snow? Not in about 40 years. No, wait a minute. There was a road we drove on in Colorado that almost killed us. Yeah, in a blizzard. Now that was snow. This is a joke. This is nothing.
This is pretty bad.
Yeah, not as bad as that highway to hell.
Yeah. You wanna go? Thank God for snow mode.
Snow mode. Hey, gang. Yeah, you know, so the first thing I do when I get home is do some snow blowing. Yeah, so cleared the driveway here and the pathway so the mail can get through. Tecumseh, what a beast. All right. So there you go. Home sweet home, right? All right. Let's go have a nap. Hey, gang.
Don't scare him. Please don't scare him.
Look, we got a cat.
Let him stay there.
No snow day for that cat.
Yeah.
Who has a snow day? Clara has a snow day. What is she doing? She spent her time building like little models. That's pretty cool. Not you.
He always has a snow day.
Just trying to stay warm. So anyway, we finally made it home. We did some snow blowing. It stopped snowing for a minute here. And the plows have been running, the salters. Quite a lot of drifts out there. Our snowman is completely covered. What's left of him. Very scenic view here. the middle of Massachusetts. Yeah, pretty cool. Return to office. Train station. It's pretty darn cold. Alright. Well, let me get a coffee or something before I head out. So, Boston likes to shovel, apparently. It's like professional shovelers that are just cleaning the sidewalks here. Yeah, look at that. It's a mess, all right. All right, so I guess that's it. I've traversed from work to here. So I'm gonna go relax for a little bit and catch a train home. Huh? Look at that. Cool. I wonder if this is upside down. Sure. Yeah. Let's stop it. Hey gang, we're on a road. Wow. All this stuff here.
Because he wants to record. Why
Yeah, because you won't remember much of it. So I'll make a little YouTube video and we'll have it forever. Whoa. Give yourself twice as much space.
I understand that. He's the one that jumped. I was plenty far behind him. He's the one who jumped on his brake.
All right. Black eyes.
I saw a scout green.
Are you good?
Oh, nice.
Guys, hey gang, we're at Idlewild. It is all plowed to some degree, and it looks closed today because today is
Tuesday.
Tuesday. So
Did you get
go.
the big piles of snow back that way?
The big piles of snow. I'm always big on the piles of snow. Love the big piles. I love the piles. Wow. Yeah, they're about 10 feet high over there. Great for kids. We should go to we should go to Narrow Park maybe afterwards. We can see if our Ford is still there, right, Claire? That would be fun. We can add to it. We have a shovel. Wow. All right. So there you go. Idlewild. Let me take a picture. There you go.
Cool. This is like a day and a half after the blizzard.
It wasn't a blizzard. It was a blizzard.
And as you can see, it's
Quite deep here from the plowing.
uh-oh. Can you get out? There you go. All right.